Hope you people are able to see my screen. Hi, hello. Hope you're able to see my screen. So today, we've seen all the concepts like components creation, design dialog, JCR, and using implicit objects. Most of implicit objects means important implicit objects, and uh, creating page rendering components and dividing page into header, footer, and body parts, and making the blocks dynamic like kind into components, and creating content components and differentiating content components and page rendering components, and creating a template for each respective page rendering component based on a template, creating uh, pages. That all the things we have seen yesterday. uh, we faced one issue. That issue was, let me show you that issue. Purpose, in purpose, components, in components, navigation. Yesterday you see one issue that if you open the page, what is our page? This is the home page. If you open the home page, where it is coming, which one I'm asking? Hope you remember the things, like the top navigation is not coming properly adjacent to the logo. This we've seen yesterday. Actually, how the navigation should be? Navigation should be like this. Let me show you how the navigation. Go to the HTML template, actual template, which is given by the UI people. See, this should be the proper appearance of the navigation, but here it is sitting beneath the logo, and also the context, also the display, also the UI perspective is not proper. Okay, so for that you're facing with which component? Navigation component, the thing which we developed. Because what's happening inside is, let's see, check it out. Here if you observe, this all li sections are surrounded or wrapped by additional div, that is div class navigation. This is being added by CQ. This is being generated by the CQ. Nowhere we used it, the div section. If you remember clearly, nowhere we have used it. Let me show you. Header.jsp. Let me go to header.jsp. Yes, this is UI. If you open, just let me open index.html, HTML file. This is your menu, UL, unordered list, and each li. Each li represents what? One is logo, one is first home, features, this is submenu, this pages, and this is one more li, this is credits, pages. See how the div structure is. These are all the li's under UL. There is no div which is wrapping li's as a child elements, but in CQ page, the page which you created in CQ, these li's, the first li is proper. This is the UL, unordered list. First li is proper. Logo wrapper, it's fine. Logo wrapper, it's fine. What about the next li's? Those are not coming. Those are surrounded with additional div that is generated by the CQ, because CQ include component will generate additional div with the class navigation, which you give a path. In the place of path, the path attribute, whatever you give, with this attribute it will generate a div section by making the path name as a class. Path name is navigation. But this should not happen. So for that, go to the component, whichever the component you want to include. My component is navigation, right? I'm facing problem with the navigation. Select the navigation, add the property, that is CQ colon no decoration. Remember it, okay? CQ colon no decoration to true. I don't want any decoration that should be added by the CQ. Type is boolean true. Add it and save it. Now refresh your page. Remove the F12. Refresh your page. See, it has not generated any decoration. You got it? Let me inspect element that no additional div will be there. Absolutely. You able to see it? UL. Under the UL, it's perfect. Got it? These are all the child pages. So you can keep navigate to your specific child page. This is the credits page. This features page. After completion of all our CQ sessions, please make these all things as a component and all authorable. These are all static pages. I cannot create in the session every page, right? So on your own, make this project complete CQ project. Means complete pages convert into CQ pages. We worked with a home page, correct? I made this as a dynamic. This banner is a dynamic. I told you people to convert this into CQ. I'll check once I free with the sessions. I'll check all your projects. Don't think that I'm not reviewing. I'm checking in my local. Grace is sending. It's good. Varindra also sent. I've checked. Varindra stopped these days sending the assigned tasks. But the rest of the people not even responding. I know that. I'll check that with the Imran. Okay, these are the pages we developed. So you people please convert these features and everything to the dynamic CQ pages. If I delete this test page, it won't appear anymore here because we have developed a navigation component dynamically. So that renders the dynamically the navigation part, because so it keeps reads the children of the home page, that is purpose page. So under the children, under the purpose, whatever the childs are there, it makes reading all the child pages and it renders the navigation component. That's what we worked it. Even I told that I would introduce how the mobile development goes. All these mobile, all these CSS that HTML people has given are mobile responsive. To check mobile responsive, please use this RWD, mobile or responsive web design tester. It's a plugin for the Chrome. You can add that plugin. Get it? Go to Google, RWD, responsive web design, or else RWD plugin for Chrome. Just simply search this and the first one only. So you can add it to your Chrome. When you add it, this is HTML template, guys. This is HTML template. I opened it from my local system. Now select the mobile. When you add a plugin, automatically it will display your Android top Android phones, iPhone and Windows phones. All the phones it will display. Okay? I hope you are seeing that. I added that plugin to my Chrome. That's the reason I'm getting all this. This is a landscape. This is portrait. Just I want to see this HTML provided by UI people. Is it mobile responsive or not? Now click on iPhone 6 or 5, whichever you want. Now I'm selecting 5 in portrait. See, in mobile it will be displayed. My website will be displayed in this manner because this is using internally Bootstrap. So Bootstrap automatically aligns a responsiveness to your website. This is the features, credits page. This is a home page. This is the banner. If you see, able to see the banner? See, all the things are responsive. All the components are sitting side one beneath another. This is how the responsive website will be. Hope you got it. If you want Galaxy, means Android, go to Android. Check how it will be displayed in Android. This is how it will be. And check in Windows. This how in Windows how it will be. Okay. If you want portrait landscape, go to the landscape mode. How it will be. See, the text is in 2 lines only. If it is portrait, it's coming around 4 lines. That's how the responsive will be. See, the clients are sitting side beneath another, side by side. If you want iPhone in portrait, you can view like this. So check, you have checked your HTML prototype is mobile responsive or not. Check your website also. This is the website which we developed in CQ. Now test your website. Check it in iPhone. If some issue is there, UI people will help us to fix it. Anyway, we are getting everything is fine. If you observe here, are we good with the UI? Hopefully yes. This component also, which we developed, our client's component is sitting properly. No issue with the web development. See, go to particular pages, or the responsive or not. Features page. Click to the features page. Credits page. Features 2 page. Purpose project page. That's how it's okay. And check it in Galaxy. It's fine, right? Features page. You'll be able to navigate to the features page. See, it's fine. You're getting your features page. Mobile responsive properly. Means if something is wrong, automatically your text will come. It will move outside of these borders, or else some blur, or else some overridden. Such a kind of issues you will face it if mobile responsive is not proper. Means CSS alignment or div structure alignment is not proper. So you will face such a kind of issues. For example, remove this no decoration tag. Save it. Now refresh your page. This is coming here like this. Now check how it will be in mobile response. Mobile responsive. See, it's not proper, right? This is not the way how we should get the responsiveness, right? They should sit a line by line, which is separated, a line by line, this top navigation, but it's not setting properly. It's the issue. So now hope anyway you got that issue. How to fix this is very important. Interview, this kind of questions if you answer with 3 or 4 answers only, you'll be getting selected because there are no CQ people much in the market. If you're good with this kind of techniques, how you will restrict the decoration problems in CQ, means extra generated divs, how you can eliminate this kind of issues. If you fix, if you give answers, it will be easily captures the interviewer's mind. Hope you got it, how it's working. Mobile response is proper, right? Lumia. Lumia 920 means Windows Phone. It's proper with our features too. Means even our navigation component is proper. Even though we're generating dynamically, it's proper. If you create one more page here with credits, create second page. Create second page. Now refresh yours. Create second page is coming here. Now check it in mobile responsive. Our navigation component, how it's working. See, even though it's dynamic, mobile responsive is proper, right? We are able to get our credits page. See, it's fine. Credits to page. Credits page, home page. This is how you can work with mobile responsiveness. Install the RWD plugin for your Chrome browser and make easy things working. Okay? This is how the mobile responsive will be looking like. Today, very crucial concept we will be going to look into, that is working with Eclipse, means developing the CQ application in Eclipse. Write down the points if you want, it's your wish. Today the one who missed the sessions, their bad luck. Building CQ project with Eclipse. That is, first you need to have Eclipse installed. First one. Second one is Maven install in your local. Okay. Next one point is Eclipse integrated with Maven. You have to integrate your Eclipse with Maven. Then Maven builder. Building Maven build tool. You people should know, on your own you have to do Eclipse installation. Okay, you have to do with this Eclipse installation and Maven installation. I'll show you. Integrating Eclipse with a Maven means I'll give you a few links which you can go through and you can read through them, and you can integrate, means you can install Maven, Eclipse, and you can integrate both of them together. This we will see practically. This is CQ part. That's the reason I'll explain in the session. Eclipse. Download the Eclipse. Hope all you people are the Java developer. Definitely you know how to download a CQ. Next, Maven download. Maven install Windows 7. The second link is very proper link. This one will give you information how to install and set up in your local in the Maven. This is the link. Please hold it in your local, which will give you. If you are not understanding, then go with other links also. They are very good. This guy also is very good in Java. This guy gives very good information. Okay. MKO. Okay, very good site actually. Download Apache Maven, installing Apache Maven with Eclipse also. This is very good and easy. This is Maven installation. If you download Mars Eclipse, you have to work with it, or else Juno. Please go with these links, okay? Just search how to integrate Maven with the Eclipse. Now assume that I have installed Maven in my local, okay? When you install a Maven in your local, open a command prompt, check whether you install it properly or not. Maven version. If you get a Maven version, then your successful installation with Maven. So when you install a Maven, please set up the Maven home variable, M2 variable, in a where system variables. It is advanced settings, you know that, right? Java home, setting the Java home. There only set the Maven home up to the bin. So when you set the Maven home up to the bin, you will be able to see this mvn command. So mvn command can be detected by the operating system when you set the Maven to the path variables. Maven version, that is 3.2.5 is the version I am using. Now it's a very useful link I'll give you people. So which would help you to build the CQ project. We have one best link. Let me check where that link is. Yes, the first one only. This is the link where you can go through. So this is the process. Assume that I install a Maven, Eclipse, and Eclipse is integrated with a Maven. So as I install the Maven, run this command in your command prompt in a single line. Here, this is the multi-line command. They have provided in multi-line separated with a backward slash, but we'll make this as a single line command. And when you run this command, Maven will generate CQ project, multi-module project. Multi-module in the sense, bundle is one module, content is a one module. Multi-module in the sense, multi-module project, in the sense one is content module, bundle module where Java classes will sit, Java bundles. Content in the sense here you can place apps, something like that. And if you want any more modules for etc, 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 or else something config, some extra bundles, extra modules, if you want, you can include it. That's how we call it as a multi-module project. You can generate a multi-module project using this command. So just go through this site, you will get to know each and everything. Each and every point will take a lot of time to explain to you people. I have made that command in a single line. So just I will copy, I'll paste it. This is the command, I made it in single line. Okay? This is the command. If you want, I'll ping you people. This is the command you need to run in Maven. Once you install successfully Maven, just run this command. Let me go to my Maven and let me run that project. Purpose. Let me build the purpose project. Okay? I'm closing my Eclipse. I want to generate my purpose project under where? Under Java workspace. In my local system, I created one workspace, Java workspace. Under CQ development, my name, practice, Java workspace. In that Java workspace, I want to generate a project, multi-module project. To generate in this path, just go to that path. CD. I'm in Java workspace path. Now run your command. That is Maven command. Copy this command. And I'm copy and pasting it. Paste it. Or else if you are not getting shortcuts, just right click, paste it. I pasted it. Press enter. Now it is scanning and it is trying to create the project. It will ask you few values, few properties. We haven't generated properly. Again, let me run the command. Nothing is generated. Let me run the command again. Press enter. One enter. Only one enter. Enter. Done. It is scanning. Now group ID it is asking. Give like purpose underscore ID. Artifact ID. Purpose is artifact ID. Okay. Snapshot means the version snapshot. 1.0 hyphen anything you can give, or else 2.0 or else 1.1 is a version. Snapshot. I'll show you snapshot where this name will be appended. Package. For Java bundles, what you want to create a default package. Com dot. We are going to generate Java bundles as well. That's the reason I told you this is important session. So in that Java bundle, what would be the package? It is asking. So com dot project dot my project name. Apps folder name means in CQ the apps folder name what you want. Purpose apps. Purpose apps, because already the name with the purpose already one folder is there, or one project folder is there. If you see here, let me delete this. I created it before the session. So this purpose project is there already. Correct? If you run the build, automatically your Eclipse project will override our project. So all of our components, our structure, our application structure will be vanished. So due to that, take care it. Give some other name, purpose apps. Done. Artifact name. Give some artifact name. Uh, Purpose project you can give. And package group you can give purpose project. Do you want me to create a package? Sorry guys, you typed purpose, typo mistake. Where it is? Purpose ID, purpose. Hope everything is fine. You typed purpose for purpose ID. Okay, typo mistake, right? No problem, it's a package, right? So it will generate the package with the name. Okay, it's mistake but done. So we can change after package creation, after bundle creation. I'll show you how to change. Just remind me when I go to the bundles. Now I'm pressing yes. Why? Means I'm commanding, means or else I'm suggesting the Maven. Create the project. Yes, done. Build success. It has created. Okay. Now go to your Java workspace folder. Check whether your project is created or not. Yes. Your purpose project is created with this 26th 951. Okay. Now import this project into your Eclipse. Okay. Where is my Eclipse? Go to your Eclipse, start your Eclipse. That is Eclipse Mars. I'm using Eclipse, opening. This is the Java workspace. This is the workspace I want to open. Let me delete it. Previous things are there, so deleted them. Sorry, my project also got deleted. Mistakenly I have done it from the Eclipse. Now Eclipse is empty, right? Anyway, you're clear, or Eclipse is empty. Sorry, it's not opening. Exit that Eclipse. Hello. Okay, again open your Eclipse Mars. Reload Maven project. Why it's throwing error? Or else clear your Eclipse, or else Eclipse is not opening properly. Delete this, clear the entire workspace. What's wrong? This is not the Eclipse. Wait, it's closing, I think, Eclipse. Now delete it. Try again. sure this row. Close the another Eclipse as well. Will be completed. Are we referring? Yes, sorry, we're referring in this folder, right? Yes, it is referring, I think. Exit there as well. Now try to delete. What the hell? Why it's making this much problem? Where we're referring that? I think Eclipse is not closed properly. Go to Task Manager, check the Eclipse Java. Applications, any application still running? This is folder. Node on Eclipse in processes. Java. This is CQ, I think. Something is running in the backend. That's the reason I'm not able to delete project. Let it be that metadata or else. Where it is making so I've closed all of the things, but still you can close the CQ. Now go to Java processes. Just hold on, it's down in CQ. We'll kill all the Java processes. Yes, all the Java process got ended. Now see. What the hell? Operating system is still referring somewhere. Or else we'll create one more workspace that will be Java underscore workspace 2. Okay, we'll use this workspace. Okay. Now new workspace is created. Open the Mars. I'm using Mars. So the Java workspace 2. Opening the Mars. Meanwhile, go to command prompt. Go to this Maven space. Go to this Java workspace 2 where you want to generate your Maven project. Now copy this Maven command, again generate, because we lost it unfortunately. Generating that, pasted, pressing enter, group ID, purpose underscore ID I have given, artifact ID, purpose, 1.1 on hyphen snapshot package. Now I'll give proper project dot purpose apps folder name. Careful here. Purpose already there in CQ. So apps I'm appending extra. Artifact name. Purpose project. Package group. Purpose project. Do you want to create? Yes, generate it for me. Thank you. Thanks, Marvin. Yeah, it has generated successfully. Everything is success. Now go to your Eclipse and check your newly created workspace, that is Java workspace 2. Yes, your purpose project been generated with a content module, bundle module, 2 modules, that is 2 multi-modules. In multi-module, 2 modules I generated. Copy this path, go to your Eclipse and import the project which is generated from the command prompt into the Eclipse. Import. I have integrated. As I said, we have to integrate Eclipse with a Maven. My Eclipse has been integrated with a Maven project, so I am checking with the Maven. Existing Maven project. Do you want to create a new project or else you want to import the existing one? It is asking here. Do you want to check out from SVN or what? SCM means version control management system. No, it is there in my local, so existing Maven project. Because I built the project with a Maven tool that is existing in my local, so I am selecting the second option. Go to next. Give the project path where your project is, Java Workspace 2, and click on Finish. We are importing that project into our Eclipse. It is importing. We imported successfully. Now go to each project, check the project is on which JRE. It is running in 1.5. Our project, our CQ supports 1.8 because I am working on CQ 6.1. In your case, it will be CQ 5.6.1. So in your case, it can be up to Java 1.7 is enough. So here, go to build path, configure build path, go to libraries, this one, edit it, alternate JRE. You have JRE, but we have to configure JDK because we have to run on a compiler. Okay. Instead of adding here, go to Windows, Preferences, add JDK, go to Java. Your compiler, check what is the compiler it's being used, 1.8, fine. Install JREs here, this one, remove it, add the JDK. If we are not adding JDK, if you try to run this, see what the error you will get it. This is the Maven project, so you have to run it as a Maven project. You have to build it. Maven, I integrated Maven. That's the reason I'm getting all these Maven options. So if you want to build any project on Maven, select the project, root project. I would like to explain you people the project structure first. Maven holds always a parent project and child projects. Parent project contains nothing, just it briefs about the child projects. This parent POM file. POM is nothing but project object model. Write it down. Please write it down. Project object model. This parent POM file provides a facility to configure the common features which are common to all your child projects. Here child projects are purpose bundle, purpose content. In this parent bundle, content will not contain anything. Just as a parent project, it contains the common information. This is the common information which will be used by the child project, that is CRX host, means author host, local host. CRX port, that is author port 4502. CRX author username, admin, author password, admin. These are the published details. Publish is CRX publish.crx.host, localhost 4503. Password, publish password is admin, username is admin, and source encoding, that is UTF-8. These are the common details which will be used by the child projects. Got it? Now go to child project. As I said, here if you remember, we have given this project package, scom.projected purpose. These are by default generated by tool, Maven tool, that is AEM multi-module Maven tool. If you don't want, you can delete it. Right click, delete it, like this. I don't want, I deleted this too. I don't want, I deleted this too as well. Okay? Just if you don't want, you can delete them. Not a problem. That's your wish. Now you should check what is your JRE which is being used by your CQ project. 1.5. It is not right. It is not correct. We have to change it to 1.8. So now I will be doing in Eclipse level that one. Configuring, install JRE, remove it, add. 1 minute before doing that stuff. Fine. You came to know what is this content. Content will contain content slash apps. Under apps, what the thing should be. This all the structure is being created by whom? That is created by this Maven repository plugins. Here you added Adobe dot. You must connect to the net before running this. We have opened somewhere that, yes, this command describes to the Maven how to generate what is the package structure. Okay, this path will explain. This is the main artifact ID which suggests or else guides the Maven to create the project structure. Okay, this whole structure has been created by the multi-module content package archetype. We haven't bothered about that structure. This is all taken care by the system. This is the purpose apps under the apps folder. This is the Java work. This is the CQ project. This is Java project. Now run it. Go to the parent project, Maven. Run. Go to run as Maven install, or else first Maven clean. Build is success. Maven clean is success. Now right click, run as Maven install. Read this error one time. Everyone has to read that error. No compiler is provided in this environment. Perhaps you are running on JRE or JDK. If you go to Preferences, Windows, Eclipse Preferences, go to Install JREs under Java. Under Java, Install JREs. Here check. It is, go to Edit. It is JRE. Basically, you have to configure JDK. That's the reason. Remove this and add JDK directory. Go to your local file system. Go to your C, program files. That means where Java installed, program files, Java. Go to JDK. Select that folder. You find you configured your JDK. Select that. Click OK. Now I am done with the JDK configuration. Now go to each project. Change your library as well. Change this library to alternate JRE, that is JDK 1.8, which we configured. Apply it. Click OK. The same like on changing you are getting JDK 8 or not? Yes. Now go to purpose content as well. Do the same for the purpose content project as well. Remove it. Add library. Or else instead of removing, edit it, cancel it. Right click, build path, configure build path, edit it. This JDK, edit, simple. I'm done. Apply, edit, click OK. Now select all the projects, right click, refresh them. And one time project, clean it. It cleans unnecessary references in the project. Eclipse cleans it. Now cleaned. Now select the parent project, right click, run as Maven clean. Build success. Now right click, run as Maven install. Let's see whether we will be able to successfully run it or not. Build success. Fine, Maven has built your projects successfully. And where it has created your project folders, it has created one is purpose content project, which contains app structure. Where it has pasted under C, users, username, M2 repository, purpose ID, purpose content. Under this path, it has created it. If you want, you can go to that path and you can check it. See, your package has been created, the CQ package. You can take this package, you can go to your project manager. Sorry, I have stopped my CQ. Let me start my CQ server. I'm starting, let it up. Almost done. It is up. Authentication failed. Why? What the issue in this now? Authentication failed. What the modifications we made? Have I started the correct server? Author CQ session AM6.1 author. Correct. Again restart it. What we can do. So new issue we faced. Not sure what this issue. Let the server stop properly. Give some time. Meanwhile, let me explain about this Java project only. And what the things has been created by CQ. Content it has created, that is content package it has created. But still, if you observe, and we have still built our Java bundles as well, right? Check where the Java bundles has been prepared or created. See, under the target folder it has created Java bundle. If you observe here, got it? That is Java workspace purpose bundle target. Also it has created under the target folder only the content also. Or else if you want, let me open. Under the purpose bundle module, it has, under the target, it has created bundle, your jar file. Under the content module of target, it has created content file. Let me open first root project, that is purpose project. This is your bundle. Go to bundle, target. This is your OSJ bundle. Not a normal jar file. This is a OSJ bundle. Why it is a OSJ bundle? How one should know that this is a OSJ bundle? Copy this bundle. I'll explain you how to consider that as a OSJ bundle. Paste it. Extract it here. We'll come to know. It will contain manifest.mf file. See, the normal jar file will not contain this manifest.mf file. Already in the bundle, at the time of discussion about OSGA bundle, I have explained you. This is manifest.mf file, which describe about the bundle. Okay, which describes about the bundle. It's very important question. In most of interviews, around 5 minutes they'll spend on OSGA concepts, OSGA architecture, OSGA container, why OSGA is preferred, why modular application development type is preferred, and what is OSGA framework, what is OSGA lifecycle, what is OSGA bundle, what is OSGA bundle jar file, and what is the difference between normal jar file and OSGA bundle jar file. This is the common questions which are concerned or raised by the interviewers. OSGA bundle jar file, the major difference is the manifest.mf file will be there in OSGA bundle jar file. What it does, this manifest.mf file will contain some information which is read or else which is understood by the OSGA container. By reading this information, OSGA container understands the bundle and its natures. That is, what is the bundle Java version, that is JDK 1.8. What is the bundle symbolic name here? What is the bundle symbolic name? This is the purpose ID dot purpose bundle. This purpose ID we have given for project ID, if you remember. This is the version. What is the bundle version? Today it is 1.1.0. If some upgradations are coming, so we'll make it as 1.2.0. If you get any major upgradations, we'll make it as 2.0. So created by Apache Maven bundle plugin. The packages, export packages. Which packages you want to export it to the outside world? That is com.project.purpose. I want to export it. Also here you can mention if you want import this property also there. Import hyphen package colon which package you want to import. For example, java.util.star I want to import. Like this you can mention if you want. This is the manifest.mf file, very important file which will be read and which will be understood by the OSJ container. That is the major difference between the OSJ jar bundle and normal jar bundle. Okay, this how you can explain in interviews. That is the difference between OSJ bundle and normal jar bundle. So the command, the build has generated all your bundles. The both content module bundle and OSJ bundle has generated under where? Under your purpose project only. Sorry, this is into repository, it's confusing. Close it. Target, come to cover. This is a practice project workspace. This is a purpose project. Under bundle, under target, you have OSJ bundle, that is Java bundle. Go to content. Under content target, you have apps. This apps package you can deploy it. Sorry, let me start the CQ server. Anyway, we cannot complete this entire OSJ or else Eclipse development, developing the CQ project in Eclipse. Now server started properly. Now go to your package manager. This is the package manager where you can deploy your content module. Am I correct? Previously I built it, delete it. Yeah. Go to here, upload package. Go to here, desktop. CQ session, CQ session. So, our project is development. Practice Java workspace 2. Purpose content. Content target. This is the content package. Open it and upload it. This how you can upload it manually. And one more thing, you have Java bundle as well. To upload a Java bundle to the CQ, you need to go to system/console, that is Felix console. Go to here, select your bundle location. Where is your bundle location? Go to bundle folder, target. This is the bundle you need to upload it to the CQ. This is the manual process, right? I haven't uploaded it, cancelled. And here also I am deleting it. I haven't installed yet. Before installing itself, I am deleting it. This is the manual process, right? This is hectic. Going into the Felix console and package manager, uploading individual project or else individual module. On run of the project, on build of the project itself, can't we move all the packages and bundles to the CQ server automatically without manual intervention? We can do it that. We can do it. Let me explain you how we can do it. I'll show you how we can do this process. For that, we need to go with the profiles. Okay? Go to content package. Inside the content package, go to pom.xml. Go to end. Here, if you observe, one profile is being defined by the POM file, that is auto install package, not this one exactly. auto install will be there. Let me show you just a second. Yeah, this is the auto install package. Automatically it will install by using this Maven plugins into the CQ server. How it will identify the CQ server host and all those things? By using this CQ CRX host, CRX port, which you configured in POM file, parent POM file, and username and password. It identifies the server and its credentials. Automatically it will deploy in CQ server. Then how the CQ server path is being built? You can ask that question. Here, if you observe, where you want me to install this one. See, package manager. If you configure the things properly, automatically it will deploy here. It will replace with, anyway here you have given value, that is localhost, and remove this with this port with a 4502. Who will replace all those things? The Maven only will take care, because these values you have given in parent POM file, right? Localhost. And mouse over, it will give you the location where it is being defined, jump location. And mouse over of CRX port, jump location. What is the port? 4502. Okay? Hope you are getting. This is auto installation into CQ. Got it? Here, instead of OV, go to pom.xml. Go to end. In the content.xml itself, see, the purpose bundle also has been configured. If you run this content.xml auto install, automatically it will run this plugin, this artifact ID. This artifact ID is referring here. On referring of this, on installation of the content package, automatically it will install the artifact ID purpose bundle as well. Target is where? Under apps, purpose apps, install. Let me show you clearly. On installation of this bundle, automatically it will install purpose bundle because we configured here. Boss, at the time of installing the content bundle, build this bundle as well and install it. Where it has to be installed? Apps, purpose apps, install, under install folder. Now let's see how things will happen. You have to go to run configurations, okay, or else go to your parent project, right click, run as, run configurations. Here also options will be there. Maven build, double click. Here you have to provide a configuration. I'm giving name as content-check-in. Parent directory is purpose project. What are the goals? These are Maven goals. Clean space install. Clean it and install it. Just now we have run individually. Clean, install, manually. If you observe, hope you remember it. Right click, run as, Maven clean, Maven install. These goals we are providing in profilers, through profiler. We call them as a profilers. Content check-in. This clean install are the goals. What is the profile? The profile is, this is the profile. Profile ID you need to give. Copy this. Run as, run configuration, content checking. Paste your profile, apply it. Now click on run it and check your GRE, everything is proper or not. Yes, your alternate GRE is JDK 8, fine, things are fine. Go to main tab, purpose project, clean install, and this is the profiler. Now run it. See, as of now, refresh the apps folder. There is no purpose apps. There is no package with the name purpose content. See, automatically it has already provided build success, I think. That's the reason you got that. Let me maximize it. See, build success. So by the time we have seen automatically build is success. This is 20 to 30, means 10:30 Indian time. See, 20 to 31 just now build happened. So what all the things happened? Means one is content folder has been placed in CQ. Refresh it. See, purpose apps. And one will be Java bundle. See, the purpose project bundle. Purpose id.purpose bundle. This information is available in manifest.mf if you remember. See, JDK 1.0 we have given. Symbolic name. See, this information we provide in manifest.mf file. So this information is read by the OSJ container. There is no manual installation, right? Automatically Maven installed. So by using the profilers, we have run the project. We configured the profilers, run configuration, and we have run it. We have prepared it and run it. Automatically CQ takes your CRX host, port, and credentials of admin. So it has installed your both Java bundle inside of Felix console and project CQ project inside of apps. So as I said, your bundle will appear under install. See, purpose bundle 1.1 hyphen snapshot.jar file. This information where you have given inside the content, the target, place Java bundle under apps, purpose apps install. So as you suggested, Maven plugin or else Maven build has placed inside of this. We got it, how to build the CQ project, and a lot of things are there in Java Eclipse integration, in CQ Eclipse integration. We'll see the rest of concepts tomorrow. Anyway, today I took somehow long. Hope you guys have enjoyed the session, Java integration. Yet to see how to see few more concepts. We'll see. Any more doubts you're having? Guys, any more doubts you have? You enjoyed the session today? Okay, what about rest of the people who are all there? Nicandro and Grace. You enjoyed the Grace session? Okay, tomorrow we'll see. A lot more concepts are there. I can't complete in a one day that Eclipse integration. Tomorrow we'll see rest of the concepts. Okay, alright. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.